Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to track your steps on Google Fit. So if you want accurate step management on Google Fit, here's how you can do so. Simply open the Google Fit app. Once opened, if track your activity is turned off, you want to turn this on. You can do this when you open the Google Fit app. Simply scroll down and anytime track your activity is turned off, you'll find it in this section with activity tracking is off. Simply tap on open settings and this will take you to settings where you'll find tracking preferences. Now you can also get to settings when you tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see the settings gear at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this and then scroll till you find tracking preferences. Then you want to toggle on track your activities. Once this is toggled on, Google Fit will accurately measure your steps. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.